I have two questions for you. Are you looking for an easy peasy way to make videos for social media platforms? I'm a YouTuber and I want an easy peasy way. To be honest with you, I got information overload. I don't know about you because I've been looking at all these various videos on how to do this and what kind of equipment you need to do this and get this and do. I'm like, I can't take no more. So what I'm going to share with you is this: how to make videos, easy peasy ways, but you got to have a Mac. Okay, I have a Mac and I discovered a way that I want to share with you. You may already be aware of it, but just in case, stay with me all the way to the end because I'm going to share this information with you and you can thank me later. All right, so moving right along. We can use our phone, right, to do videos. We can do a webcam, and there's lots of other applications you can use to make videos for social media platforms. But I just wanted something easy. You know what? To be honest, I have beautiful grandchildren, plus I'm working, plus I got a lot of entrepreneurial activities I'm engaged in, plus I have my own personal life. And I'm not trying to spend the rest of my life trying to figure out how to make videos using the video cameras with the sophisticated equipment and all of this. So stay with me, like I said, because I'm going to share with you easy peasy ways I found on my Mac. And it works beautifully. And I'm speaking from it right now. I'm in the comfort of my lovely home. But anyway, so let me move right along here. So stay with me, like I said, because you're going to thank me later. All right, so we are going to talk about, first of all, what you want to do. And I'm kind of checking with my little cheat sheet to make sure I get the information right for you. So on the right side, you go to your laptop, and of course you turn it on and da 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 da, and then you looking on your far left, I guess it would be your left side when you're facing the computer, and you see all your applications, wherever your applications are, whether you might have a spanking brand new computer and maybe the application is somewhere else. They're in alphabetical order. So what you want to do is you want to go to the applications and go all the way down, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, go all the way down till you get to the letter P, P as in Paul, and you go to Photo Booth, Photo. Did I spell it right? Photo, and then Booth, Booth. So go to Photo Booth. When you go to Photo Booth, you're going to click on it. Now, I found that I can only, if I have my large monitor up connected to my laptop, then I can't do it. So I have to just do it strictly from my laptop. What I'm going to share with you, like I said, you can thank me later if you don't already know about this little simple, easy peasy way to make videos without all the sophisticated equipment. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to look for Photo Booth, click on Photo Booth, and you will see an application for Photo Booth, and then you just click on it, and it'll have like an actual little place, a space where you actually can create your videos from the comfort of your home. Now, what I use is I do use a ring light, and I also use a portable light to make sure I got enough light. Just a kind of an old school lamp. A little lamp. I have a little portable lamp, and then I have my ring light, and you know what? So I sit in. You can. So let me just back up for a second. On the Photo Booth, you can do still images. Like if you needed still images, and I do a number of still images for my to create my use for my thumbnails. So it has two features that would be applicable to you, or might be more of interest to you. Is still images. You can take still images, and you can also, and what we're going to talk about more is videoing yourself. And I video maybe maximum about 15 minutes, 12 minutes on my Photo Booth. So when you go there, you click on it, you get to Photo Booth, and then you can, if you want to take some stills, they have the little icons at the bottom. It's pretty intuitive, So it's not anything complicated. And let me just say this too. I'm a very, very super creative person. I'm always thinking of ideas, and I'm very, very super creative, create a lot of content. I'm a content creator. But when it comes to technology, I'm okay. I'll learn what I have to learn, but I don't want any more than I have to have. Just give me the basics and I'm good. And this is what Photobooth is about. And it'll give you top quality MP4 videos. All right, let's keep going. So you can take either the images or you can do the videos. I do a lot of videos, but I also do stills, and I use those for creating my thumbnails. So you get a 2-for-1. How about that? All right. So when you do your photo booth, you can test it out. I usually start by testing it out, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a few images, still images. Take a few um, uh, videos, like a couple of seconds to make sure the lighting is correct or the sound is what it should be, etc. And then, hey, then I start videoing myself or taking still images. So the thing about this the beauty of, I should say, about the photo booth is you can also edit, and it's super. If I say it's easy, it must be easy. So it's super easy. So once you finish videoing, doing your videoing, and you're happy with it, or you decide, well, you know what, I want to edit it. So what you do is you stop it. Once you finish talking, saying whatever you need to say, whatever message you're looking to deliver. Once you've come to the end, then you can export it. You'll get a little feature will show up by your video or your image. It'll say export. Do you want to export it or do you want to delete it? Now, if you want to delete it, it means, let me keep trying until I get a good one. Then you just delete it. Of course, that's self-explanatory. If you want to export it, then you decide where do you want to export it to, what application. I do a lot of exporting right there to my desktop so I can see it really clearly and easily. Then you want to name it so you don't have end up with a lot of videos on your desktop and you're like, okay, I got to go through each one of these. So you want to name it right then and there before you send it to your desktop so you know what it is, and what sequence as well. So now if you want to, we on Photo Booth, if you want to edit it, then once it's on your desktop, then you open it up, and then you can go to edit, and then you can go to trim. And trim is pretty self-explanatory because there's a yellow line that you'll use in order to define where you want to trim or not trim. And like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. So this is a pretty easy peasy way, without all the sophisticated this and that. So they got it. So Mac has it pretty much set up for you. So I wanted to share this with you. So once you do the trimming and you save it, then you can save it back onto your desktop. And then when you get ready to do your YouTube videos or your Instagram or whatever TikTok, you have your video right there. Took you only as long as it takes you to do the video, because you don't have a lot of fancy equipment that you're dealing with, or a lot. Sometimes I'll go to a website and they'll say easy ways to take your videos and for social media. And after I started reading, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is some techie stuff here. And I'm not a techie nerd by any chance. I can learn stuff, but I want it easy peasy. And so that's what I'm sharing with you. So you're going to use Photo Booth if you want something easy peasy. Give it a try. I don't remember how I came up on Photo Booth, but I'm sure glad I did, because it's so easy. Let's see if let's see if there's anything else I want to share with you. But yeah, so with Photo Booth, you can do your still images, you can do your video, and like I said, I do probably about 15 minutes on my Photo Booth, and you know what? It's easy peasy, and I don't have any issues because I'm like, if I got to learn one more thing, please. I got information overload. There's a lot of good information out there, but I only need what I need, because I'm into a lot of things. I'm a grandmother, a young grandmother, but I still work. I have all my entrepreneurial activities that I engage in, and I really don't want this serious learning curve just to make a YouTube video because I'm making I have a YouTube channel and I have over 100 videos. So I'm not trying to sit here for 4 and 5 hours making one video. I would lose my encouragement, and I definitely don't want that to happen. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Maybe you already know about Photobooth. Maybe you don't. If you don't, give it a try. I think you'll be really pleased with it. It does really beautiful videos and still images. So if you like the information that I'm sharing with you, or you found it to be helpful, let's put it that way, and you've given it a try, or you just want to encourage me, leave a comment. Leave a comment. I'd love to engage with you because we're on this journey together, in terms of social media and trying to, keep up with, all of this and that. And I want to, if I get some information, you can bet I'm going to share it with you. So thank you for checking me out. But hey, I got a lot more information to share with you. You can go to my, you're already on my channel. So just keep looking around. There's tons of information, no cost to you, of course. It's all free. And like I said, we're in this together. We're sharing. Leave me a comment. And you know what? This is not the end. This is the beginning. How about that? All right. So check out my other videos. I think you'll be happy. And leave me a comment, and I will get right back with you. All righty. So hopefully this has been helpful. Let me know if it's been helpful for you.